What's up guys, and the official GAINZ are here. Snapdragon 865, the heart that runs the beast in US and China version of the Galaxy S11 is now official, and it comes with a massive, powerful upgrade. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, the next flagship chip, will also be powering a lot of other Android phones such as the OnePlus 8, the Xiaomi Mi 10, Oppo Reno 4, etc. So not just the Galaxy S11, which is awesome because we are a big, happy Android family. So here is everything that is brand new with the Snapdragon 865. We have this feature chart that explains everything. There's a brand new 5th generation AI engine that can do far more tasks than any of the Qualcomm chips before. We also get 2nd generation X55 modem with some record 5G speeds coming at 7.5 GB per second. Fast Connect 6800 Wi-Fi 6 is here to deliver a more robust Wi-Fi experience as well as increasing the range. As always, Qualcomm, the king of gaming and performance, it supports the refresh rate up to 144 Hz this time around. That is crazy. This could mean that we could see a gaming phone in 2020 with a higher refresh rate of 144 Hz. The new Adreno 650 GPU is about 25% faster in graphic rendering compared to the last generation. We also have the Cairo 585 cores that supports up to clock speed of 2.84 GHz. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chip supports up to Giga Pixel of ISP. Holy hell, clearly the hardware is way ahead of the camera innovation. We're just getting started with the rise of 100 megapixel phone. This further confirms that Galaxy S11 is most likely rocking a 108 megapixel 2nd generation bigger sensor with a very capable hardware. Along with this, we have some amazing video gains as well. 4K HDR with 64 megapixel capture, 200 megapixel photo capture, Dolby Vision video capture, and 8K video recording at 30 frames per second with unlimited 960 frames per second slow motion video capture. Damn, them gains though. This chip is on par with Samsung's Exynos 990, if not better. Now you might remember the video where I talked about how the fingerprint scanning area on the Galaxy S11 will get bigger. Well, turns out Qualcomm has unveiled the brand new 3D Max fingerprint scanner, which is 17 times larger than previous generation and can register 2 fingers at the same time for more security. This definitely will most likely make its way to the Galaxy S11 as per latest rumors. Right now, Samsung's current 3D fingerprint reader requires you to put your finger at a very specific point, which is not an ideal solution. So this indeed is a much needed advancement, and hopefully maybe by next year we might have a full screen capable of registering fingerprints. That'll be super cool. So yeah, the official Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 gains are here. They further confirm rumors like the 120 Hz display, 108 megapixel camera, and a bigger fingerprint scanner area. Now this chip will be a 5G exclusive chip, which means all the Galaxy S11 models in the US will have 5G capability. Of course, these chips are compatible with LTE and 3G and 2G, so you don't have to worry about that. They also announced the Snapdragon 765 chip, which is a lighter version of the Snapdragon 865. It has a integrated 5G modem X52, a little bit downclocked but still very powerful for upper high mid-range smartphones next year. Most likely Galaxy A 2020 lineup along with some Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo phones will most likely utilize this brand new chip. Also in the news, the Galaxy S11 will rock the best looking higher refresh display on any smartphone according to ICE Universe. So it's gonna have 120 Hz display. It's gonna be super bright at the same time. As we know, Samsung is the best when it comes to the OLED panels. So I expect nothing less from Samsung when it comes to the display for the S11. Also, we have a brand new official trademark from Samsung. It's called as Bright Night. This further confirms that Samsung is bringing some huge improvements to the night photos. Not only photos, but videos as well. As we have seen with the One UI 2.0, the Pro Night mode is unlocked and it supports up to 30 seconds of exposure. A huge improvement for the S10 family, but I can't wait to see what the Pro Night mode features of the S11 can do. So things like bright night, space zoom, night hyperlapse, all that stuff has been under Samsung's umbrella. I really want to see what these features will bring to the S11. As we know, the camera is the biggest improvement on the S11 family, a huge generational upgrade indeed. But anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Snapdragon 865 GAINZ, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.